Okay.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of VCTV, which is the Venture Capital TV and is from LATOKEN. My name is Sunny Mohanty. I'm the Regional Director of LATOKEN based here in Singapore. Currently in a quarantine in a hotel. I just had to add that. So today I'm going to cover NFT Marketplace Insights with a very, very interesting project that's making a lot of news in the space on the Werewolf coin. So they've got very interesting stuff coming from the project itself. It's not only about NFTs, but more than that. So today is all about NFTs and the project Werewolf. Today we have a core team member from the team. Let me just quickly introduce himself. Hi, Nipun. Hi, how are you? Welcome back again on the show. How are you today?
Thank, thank you, Sony. Thank you for having me. I'm good. How are you? How's things treating you?
Oh, yes, it's been already, I think, second week already in the hotel room. So in the quarantine.
Wow.
So yeah,
Quarantine.
quarantine, yeah. So we have
Okay.
like 21 days rule quarantine in Singapore. So I've been serving that. It's my second week smoothly into my second week. First week was a little like, sort of figuring
Yeah.
out what to do all alone in this room. But now sort of home for me, second week. And third week is when I do the countdown. I'm going to
Right.
see me doing the countdown till I get out of this place. It's an amazing place,
Okay.
treating me well so far. So welcome
Mhm.
back. How are you and where are you dialing in from? I also hear that the numbers, the coronavirus numbers in India has gone down, has been stabilized, things are improving, which is good, right?
Yeah, absolutely. We couldn't be any more happier than that because of late there are a lot of blockages and people going everywhere. There was a lot of panic. Vaccination drives were not happening, slots were not available, but I think everything has been streamlined now. So it looks good so far. Let's hope that this continues, and with the lockdown releasing in phases, it should come back soon. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. So again, we are talking about NFTs. We have
Yeah.
to also give our audience a little bit of introduction to the NFTs. But before that, I would like to know, have a quick round of introduction about yourselves, your
Right.
involvement in the project, and what else
Right.
do you do besides Werewolf?
Right. So basically, I'm a business partner with Werewolf. I'm also an advisor on board with them. My idea is to streamline operations and help businesses reach the growth targets that they want to by assessing market understanding and feasibility. Planning, helping them with fundraising and meeting with investors, getting reality checks as to where and what and how that can be. With 17 years of work X backing me up, I think I'm in the right place to help businesses like Werewolf restructure and analyze their growth plans. So that's basically what I do. With Werewolf, I joined on a very early stage where initially it was an ideation, and then with the team's momentum all gung ho about having to launch and doing so many things back to back, and they are evolving with the market. So
Yeah,
as the market progresses, I think they're the fastest first responders I've ever seen. They have the plan and the idea ready even before I've recommended it. So my work is reduced, but it's awesome to see the team is already in plans, and it is great to see the passion and the momentum that they have for the project. So yeah, it's a good thing when the team is as involved as they are, and that the project is going to succeed when they're so heavily invested in what they are making.
absolutely. They've already completed their IO on Token platform, as has been a
Right.
huge success
Yeah,
on the platform
it
as well
is.
for them as well. So
Thanks to
yeah,
you.
yeah, my pleasure. Most welcome anytime.
Yeah.
So, okay, all set with the introductions and your involvement in the team and
No.
everything else. Why do you think 2021 is the year of non-fungible tokens, NFTs?
So I'll have to take you a little bit behind just to get where you are right now. I would like to talk about the DeFi platform, the ecosystem that DeFi is. It gained a lot of momentum, decentralized finance, towards the end of 2020 and the start of 2021, where you saw 150% growth in this entire system. But things started to cool down, towards the end of Q1. and that was majorly because the NFTs made a lot of headlines, right? So non-fungible tokens gathered so much of momentum that they became the hype and the next bubble and whatnot in the industry. Where people were talking about it, trading it, buying it at inflated costs, just making sure that whatever it is, they could get their hands on it. Yeah. So without the actual applications or trying to get the grip of what it is, it became the new in thing for people to be a part of. Yeah. So
Yeah,
it was amazing to see how well people accepted NFTs, although it has been there since 2012, and it gained a lot of momentum again in 2018 with crypto kitties, and it's
yeah.
been there for a while. So I don't really want to explain as to what drove that idea, but I do want to share that it has a lot of I see applications, in across the spaces, like right from gaming, real estate, making museums out of it. Art is what I wanted to come to, and even I think creating a digital asset that has backed value gives it a lot of credibility, is what I feel. So NFT has a great space to be in, and with the vision that Werewolf has, I think they are doing the right things at the right time to ensure that that momentum doesn't go down. Yeah, because if you see that drive initially picked up NFTs to a certain level, and then it started slow down because people that bought it at say about 5 ETH or 20 ETH, or like two bitcoins for that matter, but couldn't
Yeah.
sell it at any point. So at the same price because there were no buyers available, and that then the market dipped thanks to Elon Musk, is what I don't know.
Right.
I don't want to get involved in those politics, but I do see a lot of hype around it. And unfortunately, so the market does respond to quotes and statements by celebrities, and that's how it always has been. A few, big people control the major chunk of it. But to think about it, it is eventually going to change, and that change is what Werewolf plans to allow. Yeah. So it is introducing NFTs as a part of its entire ecosystem, like not only just simple trading and buying. And no, it has introduced so many more things that I will come to eventually, that will not only help NFTs maintain its credibility but also grow it at some point.
Absolutely, totally agree. I think Elon Musk has been really moving the markets,
Yeah.
especially the Bitcoin. And and with this El Salvador, the country, obviously adopting Bitcoin as a legal tender, the news is making again in waves, and Bitcoin has, I think, gone up because of that news again.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So yeah,
So
rightly
yeah.
said. Tell me, sorry, go on.
No, no, no. So that's exactly what I've been saying. So some countries are, trying to curtail in certain ways just because it is giving them a lot of headache of management of
Yeah.
operations, so to speak. But certain countries are making it part of their entire because they can't control it. So that's a very mature and forward thinking, is what I feel. And I think most of our crypto enthusiasts would feel the same way. So if you're involving us, that's awesome. If you're not involving us, we're gonna do it anyway. So might as well involve us, right?
Totally agree. Totally agree. This is crypto is here to stay and for long.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So,
So,
talking about gaming industry, the video gaming in industry valued at around $160 billion, all set to grow more than 200 billion by the year 2023. So, the popularity of NFT in the gaming industry is probably one of the reasons to consider the chances of a good run for non fungible tokens. I think this year, I think we've seen many use cases. So players
absolutely.
have so players have many online games where they can play for winning points. So let's talk about your platform because it's a gaming platform. It's an NFT platform as well. So let's talk about what different features you have because you also have an exchange, you have a platform for NFT, and you also have a token. How does that all fit into one ecosystem? And what is exactly it's doing to the traders who are trading your token? Or how does a buyer of your NFT going to benefit, and what giveaways or what kind of lotteries, because obviously you had a lottery in place as well, so what all you're doing to engage the
Okay,
ecosystem?
sure. So just to sum up a bit, the concept involved around Werewolf was to make sure that people understand and connect easily. Yeah, and the entire platform from that connecting with the audience mindset grew to help them be on a decentralized space and do everything possible with a click of a few buttons. Yeah. So it's not as complicated as it should be. People, should not go through so much of effort of understanding. So let the ease of use be the central part of the ecosystem. Is where Werewolf is currently at. Yeah, so gaming became an additional element to add the the element of utility to the
Yeah.
platform. Yeah,
Right.
then marketplace and the new introduction raffle
Yeah.
is something that is revolutionary to so to speak. But yeah, I will come to it in just a bit, but that's something that you should be looking forward to, and it's definitely something that will give NFT the great boost in the coming months or so. We've not yet promoted it heavily, but yes, we are there, and we are looking to push it as soon as possible. Um, just to draw it a bit, coming back to your question, in a way, see, well, with the decentralized elements of exchange and trade already introduced on the platform, the decentralized exchange is going to come soon. However, the overall trade factor is already there. NFT is already introduced. The marketplace is there. Raffle allows people to let people a bunch of people, like crowdfunding, buy number of tickets so that people can then buy a token at a certain value, so they can always assess as to what that value should be. I will go through it during the video a bit, but just to give you a headline, that's what raffle does. And gaming would be the next thing to watch out for, where we've
Right.
introduced NFTs. We are
Yeah.
introducing it on AR and allowing people them to use it online and offline. We have a kind of a Sim City meets GTA meets something else kind of an ecosystem going, where there's tradable merchandise available on the platform that actually has applications on the platform itself. So it is a huge thing to watch out for, and we've tried to make it as exciting as possible, and it will go through a number of growth phases like the other platform games have. And we are really really excited about it. So yeah, that's something that we'll be looking to add in the next couple of months or so, because at the rate at which Werewolf team is developing the platform, I'm sure that things are going to change really fast.
So, are you also giving away something today on our show to our users who are watching us today?
Absolutely. So we have something called for alpha giveaway, where
Okay.
every person who is holding 800 WWC, we add 200 WWC from our end into their wallet, and if they hold it for a month, they enter the lucky draw contest on the platform, and the lucky winner will get an alpha Werewolf NFT, which is valued at over 50,000 WWC. So at the current rate is about $26,000 or so, 27,000 as per the current rate of WWC tokens. So yeah, it's exciting. I wish I could
Wow.
participate.
I'm going to participate. Can I participate?
Yeah, you can. I can't, unfortunately, but you totally can.
Right. And how do somebody sign up to hold WWC, or the new users? They sign up on our exchange or
Yeah,
on your.
so you basically you can purchase, and you have a contract, right? You hold the tokens in your wallet. You register. You must be linked in your wallet onto the Werewolf platform, and that's how you are linked to us. As long as you're holding it for a month, your account automatically qualifies for a lucky draw.
Okay. And how do they receive that
Lucky
NFT?
lucky winners. The lucky
Yes.
winners will be announced on the platform at the end of the month, saying that, "Yay, you person, whoever this contract address belongs to, is
Yeah.
our lucky winner." And we'll share the claiming of the NFT along with the announcement itself.
Okay. So let's just have a look at your raffle and your alpha NFT. So it's a
Yeah,
alpha NFT giveaway.
right.
What's the value of the token now again? One
So
token.
it's about 60 cents right now.
And
It's
you're
about
giving away how many?
50,000 WWC.
Wow, 50,000 WWC. Wow, amazing. This is something that users, I mean, people who are watching, please, if you are a gaming enthusiast and, NFT enthusiast, and you are really willing to invest into something, please feel free to do your homework. and invest wisely, I would say. Okay.
Absolutely, absolutely. So let me just share something that we recently launched. It is the raffle of Werewolf NFTs. So
Yeah.
it's a complement to it complements the basic NFT marketplace that we have introduced. This NFT raffle allows a user, like say for example, if you bought an NFT at a certain price, most majorly it becomes difficult for people to sell it, and a bidding system does allow a certain amount of value add to your current value of your NFT. But in this system, you can have, say, a certain price listed to your ticket, and that ticket price, and a certain number of users that will eventually buy that ticket, and then eventually it gets raised through the platform, and then you can claim it. So it's basically like crowdfunding, where number of people are buying your tickets, the total value accumulates to your NFT value, and that's something that you won't get on any other platform.
Absolutely.
So
And
you should,
I'm looking forward to see it now. Very
yeah. Okay,
excited.
I'm just sharing you the screen of this video. Just a minute.
Wow. I love the graphics.
Now you need to enter the information about your NFT to create a raffle on the Werewolf platform. Token contract address, token ID. Enter the current price of your NFT. Set the price for your raffle. Set the minimum number of participants allowed. Enter the maximum number of participants allowed. Your raffle full name. And the end date for your raffle. Once you confirm all details, click Approve.
So, Sony, if you see on the screen right now, we're just showing how to create a lottery pool for your raffle. Yeah. So
Right.
there's token ID that you get. The current price is say point 0.5, 0.05, but the raffle ticket price is 0.001, and you have 100,000 participants that you want, a minimum amount of participants that you want to come and participate in that in that raffle.
Yeah.
Then your overall value that you generate from that is about 5 ETH or whatever that is. So basically what it does, it allows you to enhance the value of your NFT by just simply making people involved in your entire NFT sale.
Yeah. Right. Wow. That's amazing. So that
And
we
then you
have,
simply, yeah, paying
Now you
you
need to approve your transaction.
you
Click
simply
on Confirm.
pay, buy, and it's
Now
done.
this might take a couple of seconds, but you need to wait till transaction is confirmed.
right. So, okay. So
Now
they
that
have,
your trans-
Sorry. So that's basically how you create a raffle, and you can always see your own raffles in this section where you participated or bought tickets in my raffle section right here on the platform itself. So that's basically how the raffle section of our platform works.
okay. So, what other features are you going to share with our audience today? Because it's very interesting to see this
Yeah.
raffle, how to create a NFT raffle competition.
I can
What
give
about,
you a glimpse into what the gaming NFTs would look like. It's
yeah,
basically already on our YouTube channel, but I'm sure a lot of people have not seen it yet, but because it was shared not very publicly. But it's just to give you a glimpse and an idea as to what the NFTs and the wearable token would include. I can share this with you. So basically, this is how a NFT on a werewolf that is on the werewolf platform, which would be created, would have so many elements, right? It
Right.
has regions, right? You like you see here, it will have various regions that you know, that your werewolf belongs to. So it will have certain criteria, characteristics that will give the werewolf the advantage during the gaming platform, and you know you can add, create, customize, buy, hold,
Yeah.
and eventually trade these NFTs from the same platform itself. I guess even small customizations add to its uniqueness, and then there are certain over 100 different elements to choose from and different
Are you
customizations available.
showing your screen, Nipun? Because I don't see anything yet.
I am sharing, huh? Wait a minute, I'll just share it again. Hold on a second.
So, what's about the beta, omega, and the alpha and the benefits of each? How do you
Can you see
differentiate
this?
that? Yes, I can see the screen now. Yes.
Correct. So if you see this platform, this is basically what our Werewolf NFT looks like. There are these are the different regions that you can choose from. Where you either want an alpha werewolf or a beta werewolf, an omega werewolf, but you need to hold the following tokens in your wallet to be able to purchase or even avail a particular werewolf. And it will, like you see here, right here below, there are over
Yeah.
100 different customizations available, color options available,
Yes.
minor customizations like you see here. You can manually do that, or choose one at random. uh, then you can also use the marketplace to sell the created NFT, or then you can use it in the gaming system. So that will eventually come, not at the moment, but this is what we've created for the initial phase of launch.
Wow. So, what's the difference between alpha, beta, and omega?
So basically, like in a wolf pack, an alpha is the leader, the beta are the followers, and the omegas are random wolves. They're lone wolves, and they have certain alliances, but not until you've matured them to a certain element where you can associate them to a different pool, or a wolf pack is when you can start gaming with it. They're just normal NFTs which you can use to trade, and or we can use them for customizations during the game plan. But just right now, Omega Werewolf are the lone wolves, so to speak, that you can use as a part of the platform.
Okay. Awesome. Awesome. Fantastic. So, today, anybody who purchases 800 werewolves, the team of werewolf are going to add up or top up 200 WWC, and the winner
Correct.
is going to receive the NFT, Omega NFT, right?
Alpha NFT.
No, sorry, Alpha NFT, and the
Yeah.
value of the NFT is about 26. How much
50.
was that? 26,000.
So 50,000 WWC, and at that moment, whatever that money translates to, right now it is about $27,000, considering the price of one WWC is 60 cents.
So now, right now, the value of that NFT is about 26 to 27,000 USD, guys. So
Correct.
please don't miss your opportunity today. Purchase 800 WWC. Team tops up another 200. It's just today.
Absolutely, absolutely. You
Great.
got that right.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Nipun, for sharing, taking us through the entire project of Werewolf, and specifically also focusing on NFT for the episode today. Really had a great time. Anything else you like to add before we wrap up?
No, I'd say that keep an eye out on the platform. There is development happening faster than we can think about it. So it is going to grow and boom really fast. So keep an eye out on the group, join the forum, purchase WWC. The time is now, because we've heavily invested in the platform and it is growing tremendously. So join us, and we'll connect offline.
Thank you, Nipun, for sharing your insights about the NFT launch from Werewolf Project. And thank you for joining us. So let me
Thank
just
you,
say
Sunny.
that before we wrap up, I just want to say my audience that again, today you purchase 800 WWC, you get 200 WWC top up, which gives you an opportunity to invest into an NFT worth 26 to 27,000 USDT today. So please don't miss that opportunity for those who are keen NFT investors. So opportunity not to be missed. Another very good news, as I've been telling you, LATOKEN is launching their NFT marketplace. We have many projects who are keen to do their auction and lottery. And if you're interested to take part and do not miss out on this opportunity, please do contact me on my WhatsApp +6596535153. Sorry, that's on display. My mobile number. I'm also available on email and Telegram. And yes, that's about it. And NFT is the future as well, besides the cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and other coins that are in the market. But again, as I said, invest wisely, do your homework, research on the project, research on the founding teams, and do the
Absolutely.
investment wisely. Thank you so much,
Correct.
Nipun. Have a good
Thank you,
day.
Sonny.
Take
You
care
too.
and see you later.
See you later.